A record 123 million people are displaced across the world, fleeing conflict, disasters and climate change, but now crucial support systems are crumbling. The UN Migration Agency IOM has announced an unprecedented 30% cut in funding this year. This drastic reduction threatens life-saving programs across the globe. With over $1.4 billion in US funding at risk, thousands of aid workers may lose their jobs and critical programs may be shut down, leaving millions of vulnerable migrants without support. Already, programs protecting young girls from child marriages in South Sudan and safe houses for women in Ethiopia have been forced to close. The IOM warns that migration governance cannot be sidelined. Addressing displacement is not just a humanitarian duty, it's essential for global stability. The time to act is now. Will the world step up or turn its back on millions in need?